This is the 2016 Tidewater 220 center console. Now stepping aboard, you're going to see you have swim platforms on each side of the engine. You're going to see some rod holders back here, access to the aft, and then your swim ladder. And then if I turn around, we walk through the entryway door. And starting here in the aft, you're going to see it's outfitted with a Yamaha 200 4-stroke, and this only has 112 hours on the boat and motor. And then if I come up a little bit, you're going to see the first live well open up here, just a very large live well. Then in the center aft, you'll see there's a fold-away aft seat there, and then below that is access. And you're going to see scuppers on each side, as well as a washdown. Now if I move slightly forward, you're going to see your rod storage, and that's on that side as well as that side. Now bring us to our bait station. You'll see here is another live well, and then drink holders. And then if I move over to the side, open up here, and you've got tackle drawers. And let's start here at the top. You're going to see your light controls right there, and then you have your lockable electronics box. This current owner only uses it for storage. Then we come down here and you have your Ritchie compass. Down below that you'll see this beautiful EchoMap SV by Garmin. And you'll see it's in the, I believe it's in the GPS plus the down view scan plus the depth. Right now it's a triple combination screen, but just a very versatile unit. Then over here you can see your Yamaha gauges with your 112 hours. Down below your switches. Over here your Bluetooth stereo. And then come down here and you've got your trim tabs. And then if I step back, you can see down below lockable storage, open storage, and that is the helm of this Tidewater 22. Now if I move over to the side and I open up here, you'll see Tidewater's head compartment, and usually a porta potty goes in there. This owner did not go for that option because he didn't want a porta potty, but someone can just place one in there. He just uses this as storage. And then if I go ahead and I unclip this and open up, you're going to see your batteries with access to your helm. And now we come to the bow in this Tidewater 220, and you'll see Tidewater just does a great job with the seating everywhere you look. Of course you could strip off the seats if you're fishing, but just very comfortable, plenty of room for a ton of people. And then I'll go ahead and turn around, and now if I just step back, it'll show you the great thinking that Tidewater did in the bow here for your seating. So if you wanted to face forward, they build in a backrest, and you can see you can't even tell when it's not in use, just looks like part of the bolsters. But then if you just pull it out, you have a backrest for facing forward. Now underneath this forward seating on both sides, you're going to have storage. And if I just lift up here and pull up, give you a good view of the storage. Right now he's got some fenders and lines and Coast Guard equipment stored in there. And then moving forward, you're going to see speakers. And if I open up here, you're going to see great access to your anchor and rode. Now I'm calling it on due to rain. I'm going to have to cut this video short, but as you know, this is a 2016 with 100 hours and extended warranty. So I think you can see throughout this video the condition is excellent and the owner's not aware of anything wrong with this boat.